Welcome. First of all, I'd like to welcome all of you to the Digital Marketing Fast Track program. And it is an honor to serve you for the next 10 days. Before I begin the lesson number one, let me explain to you what's going to happen in this program. This program is going to go for 10 days. And in this 10 days, I guarantee you that your journey on digital marketing is going to be so enhanced that you'll be capable to get freelance clients for your social media work right after this program. This entire program is divided into three parts. The first part is basically to do with content and content marketing. We're going to brief you how can you make your content, how can you make creatives, how can you effectively reach out to people by putting good graphical posts without Photoshop, without CorelDRAW, or without any technical knowledge. The second part of the program is all about marketing. Explain to you how can you market yourself and how can you essentially start getting clients. How can you start running ad campaign for yourself and for your clients. And most importantly, how can you get your social media game to the next level. And the third part is to do with business, where we're going to show you how can you go out there and prospect new clients. How can you win new business? How can you start your own freelancing business with the skill set you're going to acquire in this program. So if you're ready, let's get started for lesson number one for today.